And remember, we have all these processes available online, and they're free to access a lot of times, especially our SOPs. But remember, if you are in a professional environment and you are a shop, we always recommend looking for the call out from the manufacturer and make sure that you're doing the repair correctly. Just because sometimes the same vehicle from the same year, halfway through the year, the manufacturer could be like, hey, we just determined a better way to do this.
But like knowing that I've helped someone, like that's enough for me.
Without
like,
leaving your shop, right?
Ever leaving my shop. And here's the thing though, talking about perspective, is that nothing changed, man. I was still going into the same shop. I was still painting the same cars, but now there was a purpose to it.
Correct. Yep.
And things, and the perspective was different. Because before I was, crap, here we go, painting another car, you know, for the stupid rich people. I'm painting their high-end vehicles, blah, 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 whatever. Oh crap, I have to do this color. To going, oh man, look at this. I wonder who's gonna benefit from this video. How can I add value to someone? Should I make a video of this car? Because it might help someone, you know? Like, oh, this is a tricky silver. Maybe I should videotape this so I can help someone.
You gotta set yourself apart, and no matter what you do. I mean, if you're shoveling well, there is out there, period, man. So you gotta set yourself apart. It is, I mean, and I don't know, you know, and be colorful while you do it. I mean, it's what makes you different, man. I mean, you gotta, whatever it is, you gotta do that. And in our industry, it's taking care of the customer. It's having integrity. Our industry lacks integrity everywhere from the front office to the damn detail guy. And that's what it is. Everybody wants to try to cut every corner they can, whether it be the insurance company, whether sometimes the shops, whether it be the employee themselves. And that's the problem, is finding technician employees that have that integrity. It's a dying breed. And that's the scariest part, you know.
There's a couple things that you touched on right there that I'd like to hit on just real quick. Talking about, you know, whether it's the classic debate of, is it the painter or is it the paint gun? Is it the material or is it a painter or an applicator? It's all those different things that come into play. The difference in being a painter and an applicator is the ability to be able to get yourself out of a pickle. The issues that come up in the booth, it's not just being able to go in there and pull the trigger and spray. You know, a lot of people can learn how to do great paint work, but whenever things happen, because we're dealing with chemicals at the end of the day, and we've all seen stuff dealing with solvent, every single one of us. How many times have we seen one just explode on us? Painting over a raw plastic, you know, something happened, or maybe that using too slow of a reducer and those solvents went into it and explodes out. It's the ability to be able to get yourself out of a jam.
It's like anything else. The more you do it, the better you get. You know, if you put the work in, you know, it's going to show. You know, but you have to have a drive. You have to have a passion for it. You know, you can't give up. You know, you're going to have those days where it just doesn't go well, but, you know, you just got to pick yourself up and move on.